How to watch snaps on laptop. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can watch snaps on laptops, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to watch snaps on laptop, it's actually quite simple to do so. If you go to web.snapchat.com, which of course I'll make sure to drop a link, you can log into your account, you can talk to your friends, you can make a video call or an audio call, but you will not be able to view the snap right on the web. So what do we do over here? So as you can see, we cannot watch snaps on laptop. It says new snap on mobile. So I'm assuming you don't have a mobile phone, so instead what I want you to do is simply download BlueStacks. Now BlueStacks is just an Android emulator that will help you run all of the Android applications on your PC seamlessly, even if you don't own a mobile phone. Once you download BlueStacks, which I'm sure you already know how to do it, you can simply go ahead and install it, and as you can see, I've already installed it in my case. That's why I'm opening it directly. Now inside BlueStacks, you simply have to look for Play Store, and when you go to Play Store, you can simply download the Snapchat app. And now this is the mobile version of Snapchat app where you won't face any sort of restrictions. So now you can enter your username or email, also enter your password, hit the login option, and you'll be successfully signed in to your Snapchat account. This way you'll be able to watch snaps on laptop. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.